on my mind, yeah. You know it's cuffing season and I'm feeling ya. Let me roll the windows down, it's the night time, the right time, yeah. Reminiscing about the summertime to the drop top cool. When I see the sun go down, God, I'm cold, I'm so cold.
Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, it's your girl Minami here again with another bomb tutorial. Man, this tutorial is so bomb. Do I really need to tell you this tutorial is the bomb? Like, take a look at my face. So if you're new to my channel, you're very much welcome. Do well to subscribe down below because it's absolutely free. Like, who sees a nice girl like this and don't subscribe to her channel? Really? Okay, so if you're new to my channel, do well subscribe down below and comment on what you like to see on my channel. Like, I always listen to my subscribers, so comments down below what you like to see on my channel and I'll be sure to deliver it for you. So today, as you must have seen from the title, this is a flawless makeup tutorial for women of color, my melanin babes. Okay, so do well to try out this tutorial and tag me on Instagram, Facebook, wherever you try it, and post a picture. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I started off with a fresh face and I went ahead to draw my brows off camera. If you want to see how I do my brows, I'm going to link a detailed brow tutorial down below. And if you're wondering why I did one side of the eyeshadow first, I was trying to create a look. I didn't know the colors I was going in for, so I had to try something on the other eye before coming to this eye. So I went into my Huda Beauty mini what's this, Royal Ruby Obsession palette, and I went in with the deeper shade and I applied it first. Then I went in with this deep tone pink shade and I'm going to blend in the first shade that I applied. I went in back again into the deeper shade and you can just see what I did. Then I went into my Usher's palette and I took that black eyeshadow just to make the other colors I've applied deeper, just to make them pronounced even more. Then I went back again with the brush I first used just to blend everything out. Then I went in with this orangey shade to blend everything together. Then after that, I used my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan and I'm going to use it to cut my crease. And for all those who have no idea, if you're new to my channel and you don't have any idea about cutting the crease, and if you want a very detailed tutorial on a cut crease or any eye look, do also comment down below and I'll be sure to deliver it for you. So I use this flat concealing brush to cut my crease with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. You can as well use an eyeshadow base. Then I went in with my Mary Kay translucent powder just to set the concealer which I used to cut my crease. And setting the concealer helps you to avoid your eyeshadow from creasing throughout the day. Then I went into my LA Colors 16 eyeshadow palette and I used this cream white shade as my main color. That's going to be like the master color for today, which I'm applying in my crease area. So I'm just going to use this eyeshadow brush to apply it all over my crease area. Then I went back again with this eyeshadow blending brush and I went back into my Huda Beauty Ruby Obsession palette and I'm just going to blend out the hash line, just trying to blend the eyeshadows I applied earlier with the one I applied in my crease area. Then I went back again with that cream white, with the cream white eyeshadow from the LA Colors palette and I just went in again. After that, I went back again with this other brush and I'm sure these brushes are from BH Cosmetics if I'm not mistaken. Then I went into my Usher's palette with a darker shade, and after this I'm just blending everything together such that it's flawless. Then I went back again. I just keep going back and forth with all the colors just to make it even smooth and flawless. Then I went in with this random eyeliner, and I'm going to be lining my eyes. Yeah, I like to wing eyeliner. Just watch and see. And what you see me doing, I'm going to be using my concealer and my concealing brush to kind of clean the wing. And this is to say, in case you don't do your eyeliner, your wing correctly, you can always go back with your concealer to clean it and make it look even more defined and seamless. Then I went in with my L'Oreal primer. It's a mattifying primer. Then after that I went in with my NYX liquid illuminator. If you watched my last video, you saw this. It helps you to glow from under, and I'm just going to apply it everywhere such that this melanin girl is going to be glowing. Then I went in with my L'Oreal 1 minute with my L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Makeup. I went in with the shade C6, that's in Soft Sable, and the shade C8 in Cocoa. And I'm going to mix the two together to apply it. And if you wonder why I'm mixing the two shades together, is just to get my foundation shade, my foundation color. None of them are my foundation shade, but I have to mix the two together in order to arrive at my shade. And if you see it looking kind of like it's not my shade, just hold down for a second and it's going to oxidize. And okay, and by a foundation oxidizing is like the foundation becomes darker after a while when air has passed through it or touched it or something like that. And I went to Master Beauty Blender just to blend everything together, to my ears, to my shoulders, because you know your girl, I'm always trying to off shoulderize stuff. I love off shoulders. Then went back again with my LA Girl in Cool Tan, which the head of the concealer decided to leave us. So I went in with this other brush, still from that palette, still from my brush set, just to use it to apply the concealer in my T-zones to highlight. And you highlight any area you want to pop. After that, I'm going to go in with this concealing brush to conceal my nose, to highlight the bridge of my nose. Then I went in with my Fair Up Makeup Full Coverage Cream Foundation. This foundation is really dark and it's so nice, and I'm going to use it with this contour brush, and I'm going to just contour my face. Okay, you contour your face so it looks slim, define the cheekbones, everything. Like, girl, you need to contour every now and then. Okay, so you just see me contour. Then I'm going to try to blend out the contour, to blend it with the area I highlighted. Then I went back again with my foundation brush just to blend everything together, smudge out the harsh lines. Okay, like do everything nice and seamless, because you know today we're going in for a flawless makeup look. Okay, flawless, we so flawless. Then I went back again with my beauty blender just to blend everything together. Remember, with makeup, blending is key. You don't want to go like an avatar, so you make sure you blend everything, take out the harsh lines and everything. Then back again with the Sacha Buttercup powder. Man, Sacha has been helping people highlight them face, bake them face for since I don't even know what I'm saying. So I went in with my Sacha Buttercup powder to set my face. I'm going to be baking just a little bit. It didn't actually stay up to 2 minutes, but I just let it set my face because I really wanted my face to be snatched to the gods, because man, I've not been makeuping for a while, so I wanted to be extra today. So after that, I went in with my Laura Clean 3D press powder all in one in the shade 507 in cinnamon. Yeah, am I right? Yes, 507 in cinnamon. No, I'm sorry, that's not the shade. In the shade 507, yes. No. That was the shade 708 in bronze. Sorry, I have two of them, so I was kind of mistaken. It's the shade bronze, that's 708. Yes. Then I went back again with this fluffy brush just to I went in with my Fit Me powder, Fit Me matte polish powder, just to set the rest of my face. Then I'm going to take a quick bath, yeah, just to, you know, make sure that your girl doesn't look powdery or cakey, just to put everything in place. Yeah, I was already feeling the look at this point, and man, thereafter I went in with my Usher's Master Bronze palette. If you're an oldie, you already know this palette. I always mix the two last shades since they are the deeper shades to highlight my face, and damn, your girl highlighted to the gods, like blind all your enemies, all them haters, if at all they are haters. Just blind everybody. Your village people are going to need shades to look at you. So I just went into, you know, highlights wherever needs to be highlighted. My forehead, my nose, and to highlight my nose I'm going to be using my fingers just to, you know, for precision and all that. You can as well use a brush. After that, I went in with this brush, and just to highlight my brow bones. And very important to note, each time you highlight your brow bone, it's always good to go in with an eyeshadow blending brush, preferably that which you use to blend your eyeshadows, and just to blend your bronzer and the eyeshadows you applied earlier. Okay, then of course, you know this, you highlight your mouth if you want it to pop, you highlight any area you want to pop actually. So after that, I went back again into the Usher's palette, and since my contacts are purple, so I just wanted to make it pop some more, so I went in with this color just to bring my bottom eyes to the limelight. Okay, like nobody's staying at home, I'm taking everybody together. Then I went back again into the Huda Beauty, the mini Ruby Obsession palette, and just to, you know, the colors I applied earlier, just to bring everything together. Then I went in again with my L'Oreal Cosmod Paris mascara, just to, you know, bring the bottom lashes to the limelight and give that Barbie look. Come to think of it, I used a lot of L'Oreal products today. Then I went in, yeah, a little blush is not going to kill anybody. This is actually, I'm sure, the second time I'm using blush ever, and man, today this blush delivered. Like a little can go a long way. And this blush, I just got it from the beauty supply store. It's written on it, Need You blush. Then I went in with my Glazy Perfect Eye and Lip Liner pencil to outline my lips. Then I went into this random gloss, which I have is from Chanel, and I'm just going to apply it all over my lips. If you want to keep it simple, you can as well end here, but your girl decided to go extra, so I went into this purple shade. It's from Classic Makeup USA, and I'm just going to apply it. And yeah, you could still end here if you wish, but man, I was not satisfied, so I went in again with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Dripping finesse.